In the heart of India's bustling streets, the traditional tapri is a fixture of daily life. This is where tea flows, snacks sizzle, and communities gather with incredible, reliable density. But look closely at these crowded spaces. Despite the massive, continuous foot traffic, there is a total absence of modern physical and digital infrastructure available to the people there. Right now, we're facing parallel shortages. We need localized electric vehicle charging stations, and at the same time, the surge in AI applications is creating a massive demand for low-latency edge computing. The standard industry response treats these as separate, single-use problems. Companies build massive charging hubs and sprawling server farms miles away from people. By ignoring urban density, we are wasting the most valuable real estate available for decentralized networks. Pikk.company approaches this differently. Instead of avoiding the crowds, we use them. We turn localized density into a multi-layer utility network. We call this Fiji Commerce, a direct integration of physical real estate with digital deep tech to maximize the output of a single footprint. This requires re-engineering the street kiosk as a high-tech modular station, an upgrade that packs retail, charging, and computing into one small, efficient unit. This is the Pikkstop, a modular 800-square-foot hub upgrading the local corner shop. At the surface, a retail storefront captures foot traffic with consumer goods and digital advertising. Directly beneath is a 240-kilowatt EV charging infrastructure, monetizing the 30-minute dwell times of drivers recharging. By stacking these physical and energy services, a single footprint generates multiple streams of income simultaneously while customers wait. The true technological moat of the Pikkstop operates out of sight, down in the foundation. These locations house micro data center pods that utilize the site's surplus energy to process data instantly, providing zero-latency edge computing for localized AI and network demands. Running these servers requires highly specialized software. This is the QXBin Mathematical OS, a room-temperature, quantum-inspired operating system. Classical silicon relies on rigid binary logic that often starves lower-priority computing nodes. QXBin replaces those hard assignments with dynamic binary probability matrices, guaranteeing a mathematical zero for long-term starvation. With this level of compute efficiency running beneath the floorboards, a retail franchise becomes a critical, high-value node in a distributed digital network. Building out a hardware-heavy, deep-tech infrastructure network requires significant upfront capital. Pikk.company addresses this through a specific internal business loop. The engine is 2brand.biz, our marketing and technology implementation agency. They provide software product support and design for external clients, and the revenue generated from incubating those businesses is funneled directly into constructing the physical Pikkstop network. This bootstrapping engine keeps the company profitable and insulates the infrastructure expansion from a total reliance on outside venture capital. At the end of the day, this hardware and software ecosystem is operated by local entrepreneurs. We've designed a franchise in the making model. It allows traditional kiosk owners to upgrade from standard street carts into tech-enabled business owners. A single franchisee now has revenue streams coming in from consumer goods, fast-charging EV cables, and localized data processing, all from one location. The platform creates a direct path for localized business ownership, moving beyond hardware to provide a new infrastructure for community-level wealth. We've been actively building and bootstrapping a profitable company through R&D since late 2020. Now, our first pilot locations are scheduled to break ground and launch in early 2026. To accelerate this deployment, we are looking for strategic investors to help scale our hardware supply chain and real estate partners with a minimum of 800 square feet of available space. The company focuses on a process of continuous refinement, turning the everyday energy of the street into a structured network of business opportunities. If you want to turn urban density into serious utility, join us in building a profitable, decentralized future.